Uber has increased their revenue to up to $13.5 billion this year. That means increasing their revenue up to 20%. Ola has increased their revenue to 3,200 crores. That means increasing their revenue from last year up to 13%. And Rapido has got revenue of this year up to 695 crores. That means increasing their revenue up to 45% from last year. How these all taxi ride booking companies are keep increasing their revenue? Because this is the demand in market. Online taxi booking is in demand because people are traveling from place A to B and they need these services. You also want to launch your own application like Ola, Uber, Rapido? You can, but you can do this in a smarter way. You can launch the next Ola, the next Rapido, the next Uber and become the greatest ride booking application in the market. How? I'm going to tell you today. Hi, this is Pooja Agrawal from Ronix and we have made ready to launch application where people can book taxi, courier delivery and ride sharing all in one app with user app, driver app, live tracking, online payment, automatic ride price calculation, driver commission, driver subscription, rewards and much more. So you can launch your own taxi ride booking application without investing billions. Startup are launching their application in 7 to 10 days and starting the revenue from day 1 because ride sharing means more price less. More price less, so more booking. More bookings means more revenue. So watch this video till the end. In this video, we are going to show you the live demo of how our ride-sharing taxi app is working.
So this is the app. You can see this is user 1, user 2 and driver. So user 2, I'm gonna make a booking. I choose my pickup and drop location and I choose share ride feature where people can book more than one seat. They can book by seat. So I am booking 2 seats by share ride and I am booking 2 seats by another user also. Once I do that, you can see I receive a loud alarm notification on my driver app and I can accept booking as a driver. Once I accept the booking will start and now I make a same booking by another user and you can see immediately we got the booking by another user also on the same driver and the driver accept the booking. That is how the share ride feature is working where a driver can accept 2 rides at one time and that is how the rider can see all the rides and he can see the current ride. That's how the share ride feature is working in our taxi application. And now the rider will see which ride he wants to go ahead and he can change the status of the ride like arrived, completed and much more. He can always switch on rides. So that's how a driver can receive multiple rides. We are showing the live demo of our taxi application share ride feature. And now the driver will accept. He has arrived. Now he will start the ride. He will ask a OTP from the customer. And now he will be completing this ride by entering the OTP. And that is how a ride of share ride get completed in our taxi application latest version. This is the live demo of Uber, Ola, Rapido like share ride feature taxi app feature live demo. And that is how a ride can be completed by a driver. And now the driver give a review and ride is completed. Once first ride is completed, the driver can do the second ride and now the driver has started the second ride and now the driver can complete this ride just like the first ride. He will firstly click on arrive, then he will click on start ride and you can see all the current rides. Previously in the basic Uber like application you can only get one ride at a time, but with the share ride feature the driver can take per seat price, so that's why the ride is cheaper for the customer and they book more ride also from your application and riders also are able to get it at lower cost and the driver gets more ride. So that's how you can grow more your taxi business. And that is the live demo of taxi ride booking feature of our latest taxi app. If you have any query, you can contact your consultant. And this is the live demo of 2 users and 1 driver of taxi app with share ride feature. The driver can see his points, his earning and all the features are available in the application. He can see his completed rides and much more. You can also see level earning, reward points, and much more. So this is the live demo of taxi app with share ride feature.
So that's how our taxi online booking application work, and you can also launch your own taxi app. WhatsApp us number is showing on the screen so our team can help you and make your own taxi app. You will get a user app, driver app, admin, website and 6-month free technical support. So if you want to make your own taxi ride booking application like this, contact us number is showing on the screen and launch your taxi application in just 7 to 10 days and start earning from day one.